Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Fahad Farooq and today we are going to discuss a topic which is very crucial for service businesses. Does having address on your website impact your Google ranking? The answer might be surprise you. Recently we worked with a business that was ranking really well organically for the main keyword. Let's say it was plumbing, but there is a kicker. They were not showing up at all for the same keyword with the city name we added, like plumbing repair tailor. Now why is this a big deal? Because local search terms, especially with city name, are gold for service businesses. If you are a local business, you want to be found when people search for your service near me or with the city name, right? We realized something crucial. Their website didn't have address. List is anywhere. Now on the contact us page, not on the footer, not even in the about us section. Sometimes they have on the contact us page, but they don't have on the services and in the footer and the about us section. Now if you are a service area business, this might sound familiar. After all, you don't have a customer coming to your physical location, so why bother listing address? But there is a thing, that's huge mistakes. So what we did, we decided to test what should happen if we add their address to the website. We place it in the 3 strategic locations: the footer, contact us page and the services pages. We didn't do anything else, just to add the address. And guess what? Within just a few weeks, their ranking for the local term shot out. The business started appearing not just for the main keyword, but also when the city name was including the address made all the difference. Here why this work. Google algorithm all about relevancy, especially for the local searches. When your website includes address, Google recognizes your business as being the part of this local area. This boosts your chances of showing up in the local searches, which is exactly what you want if you are trying to attract nearby customer. So if you are running a service area business and struggling to rank for local search term, check your website and your address clearly listed. If not, this simple change could be the key to unlock the higher ranking and local traffic. I will share with you one of the case study that is shared by Joe Hackens, and she shared on their LinkedIn post that she tried the same method for their client, where they're analyzing the website and they are messing the address on their whole website. So what she did, she added the address on their website. After some time, she see amazing result. They were red on all, like on the graph of Google My Business profile and the search. Once she added the address to their website, the graph was green. So if you can see here, this is the result before and this is after the result. So her share the same method, the same things we follow. She tests also for their client and she get amazing result. So if you guys are a business owner and you want to try this, hopefully you will get the same thing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit this notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you had a similar experience. If you have any question, until next steps, keep optimizing. Thank you.